Morning all, welcome to Grandads Allotment. I'll just show you what I'm getting up to. Right, it's raining, so we're not going to get much done. I had planned on getting the garlic done the day, clearing the beds where the cabbages were and getting them done, but it looks like we'll just be picking some tomatoes and going back home. I'll show you around before it gets too wet though. Dahlias are still flowering. These pom-pom ones there. All these have got to come out now. Loads of weeds. Still getting tomatoes though. Loads of tomatoes on here as well, but they're not ripening, so they'll probably end up coming out. That's my Chinese artichokes, they'll be coming out soon. I'm not planting them again. Radishes, they're all gone to seed. I've got a lot of beans there drying on the plant now, which is what I want. Wind's knocked them all over. Green beans there drying on the plant now for the seeds. Tomatoes, yeah. Again, loads. Yeah, where the kale was, over here, the caterpillar's got everything, the giant cabbage, they're all coming out, the garlic's going to go in there. The cabbage, I had actually started to heart up again, but never mind, it's coming out. So as a kale, I'm not doing any brassicas next year, it's just a waste of time. Yeah, we're going to see what Nathan's doing anyway in the greenhouse. So what are you up to, Nathan?
Just collecting some tomatoes, yeah.
Oop.
Oop. Like filling the barrels up, but it just doesn't want to be filled. So I'm sliding out. Collecting loads of these tomatoes.
They're nearly finished now, aren't they?
Yeah, they're all dying out, all falling over.
Just collect the rest. Got the grapes and that to collect as well. Yeah, we've got the, sorry about that, the hose pipe came out the barrel. Yeah, I've got to collect a few grapes and that as well. They're starting to get a bit bigger, but it tastes quite sweet. But there's obviously with them being little, there's quite a lot of skin on them. But all right. But yeah, Nathan's just going to harvest what tomatoes we've got. He likes the yellow ones. Got some plum tomatoes down there. And this is this big thing here. This is Cape gooseberry, as you can see. But it's huge. And it has actually got, as you can see there, got some on. But they're not sort of filling up. But it's taken over the greenhouse like. But yeah, Nathan's going to harvest the stuff in there, and this is what garlic, which we're going to plant up when I clear one of the beds.
But it must be true that tomatoes are fruit, because these are so sweet. Like that, they're basically sweets.
Yeah, most of the time they don't get home. This is my new grapevine, if you can see that. But that's starting to train across the top there now. So yeah, this is what elephant garlic. Single bulbs, they didn't split, so I'm gonna replant them this year, see what we'll get. Right, I'm gonna brave the rain and try and clear a bed. Right, Nathan's just gonna show you what he's doing with his garlic, his elephant garlic.
Right. So these are our elephant garlic. We just grew these last year. Did quite well. None of them have split cloves, so we'll replant them this year. Just got 16 in our lasagnas. The reason why I call them lasagnas is because you go a layer of cardboard, layer of grass, layer of cardboard, and it worked out really well. So now we've got some nice soil, There's no weeds in it, no nothing. Did find a couple of raw potatoes in it, but
yeah, we cleared the other bed and found some potatoes. But not mine. Yeah, we've just cleared that one. This had the cabbages in. The ground's quite dry because obviously it had 2 giant cabbages in, and the rain wasn't getting down to the soil. But it's raining now, so it should be fine.
yeah.
Yeah. Right, Nathan's going to show you how he plants his elephant garlic.
Right, so always remember roots down.
How deep do you need to put them in?
Like by itself, just itself downwards.
Yeah, so the same depth as the size of the seed down. Yeah, same amount of soil on top of the...
And we've just done 16 in this.
A bit deeper than that one.
Yeah.
Trowel.
Yeah.
So I'll let him get on with that, and I'll come back when it's finished.
Hi guys, we're back, and Dad, tell what we're doing.
So we've just planted up the elephant garlic. It's starting to rain now, so we're going to plant up these, which are the garlic scapes. Can you see them?
Yeah.
So these are like baby elephant garlic that were growing on the scapes, grow on the sides of the elephant garlic. So the baby elephant garlic basically. So what we're going to do is plant them up. These will take a couple of years for to mature. So we're not going to get anything off them this year. They're just going to develop into small cloves, and then we're going to grow them on probably the year after. Now this is bone dry. This compost. It's been in here all year, but all we're going to do is plant them up like little baby garlic into these little cells, and I'll just grow them on the windowsill.
Right, we'll see you in a bit once we've piled all these up. Hi guys, I would just like to know in the comments if that is anything you would like to have a look into, to try growing or anything. Just a quick word from me, see if there's anything you would like to grow. Bye! Right guys, we're back and we're done. Sorted all these out.
So I've done my scapes. I've had to just sort of damp the soil down a bit because it was too dry, but I'm just going to give them a bit of a soak. So I've got 30 in each tray here, so that's like another 60 elephant garlic for 2 years time, and I'm not doing anything with them except just give them a bit of a soak, and we'll leave them and see what happens with them. First time I've done them from scapes, but let's see what happens. Right, we'll show you the choker plant, the exploding cucumbers. Show them to see them. So this is a choker, the exploding cucumbers. So that's what I've done a bit of research that they're called stuffing cucumbers as well. So basically you can cook with them.
Really weird seeds on.
Yeah, I'm going to show, look. So basically that's what's inside them. You take the seeds out and you're supposed to stuff them and bake them.
Alright.
So I don't know what they taste like.
Tastes like nothing.
No, I think they're probably a bit like a courgette than a cucumber.
Like, you know the inside of a bean, how sometimes it's kind of like
Furry. Yeah.
That's like what it is.
But I think they're more like a courgette, and you'll probably cook them more like a courgette once you've taken the seeds out, because seeds are a bit weird.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've literally got hundreds
Yeah,
all over.
Look around.
And
the roof is literally covered.
yeah, in amongst the roof and everything. So,
and if you shake it slightly, it'll just drop off to the floor.
Yeah.
It's absolutely loads. It's so weird. Sounds like you're opening a can of Coke or something.
Yeah. They do pop.
Oh, weird.
But yeah, I don't know whether they're truly ripe yet or what, but...
And we've got all our chilies on. I collected a couple of them, if I can find them. 2 bright red chilies.
Yeah, these are the cayenne ones, I think.
Yeah, it was off these. It was the cayenne ones.
I think there's some peppers over here ready as well. They could probably come off.
Yeah, that's quite a few.
Tapas.
Tapas.
I'll probably take them off now.
But there's absolutely tons of them on, but it's all just dying.
Yeah, we've not been to water, have we? For
No.
the last couple of weeks, so we'll just take them as green peppers and
Hopefully they'll
ripen at home.
ripen at home. But we've got plenty of these. Don't know what it is, but they're just not ripening.
The tomatoes, no, they haven't ripened in this shed at all.
Don't know
It's exploding
whether
cucumbers.
it's because the exploding cucumbers covering all the light.
Yeah, taking all the light away, haven't
But they're just not ripening.
they? Yeah. These are our pine berries. I'm going to have to get these planted up as well.
Yeah. And didn't you say there was some strawberries still growing?
There's strawberries here outside. The alpine strawberries, they're still there. Still got strawberries on, and there's a couple of other ones. But yeah, we're going to have to clear all this soon.
But leave any suggestions for anything new that you want to try or have a look at
Yeah.
to give a go. Bye. Good. Right guys, this is what haul for today. Got a couple of flowers in there, but yeah, got some of these tapas, pepper chilies, split elephant garlics, some tomatoes, yellow ones will soon not be there, apples. Yeah, but oh no, we have got quite a bit for today. Not to mention what rogue potatoes over there. Right, speak to you in a bit, guys. Bye.